What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Today I met up with the homie Nick and the homie Gustavo. As you can see, we're chilling at a gas station right now, waiting for a couple others to pull up. Nick hit me up, he's like, yo, like, let's do something, let's come up with something. So here we are. It's a nice night. So I don't know what we have exactly planned, like I said, but stay tuned to make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and let's see what we got planned for the night. As you can see, we got my M4 GTS, we got Nick's F80 M3, we got Gustavo's G80 M3, super clean with the yellow DRLs on the headlights. That's something what we need, guys. We need the yellow DRLs, but G80 M3 competition with the red bucket seats. That is super nice. And the paint is Dravid gray, so it's got like some gold, as you can see on the paint. So it looks kind of like a Nardo gray, but it's actually got gold flakes when the light hits it. It's super clean. G80 M3. We got the G80 key. That's just crazy. All we need is the car, guys. But that's just so sick. Look at the steering wheel, the carbon, the red strip on top. Hella nice. My car needs a wash, guys. It is so dirty. I don't think I've washed it in like, look at that. Look at this angle right here. You can see how dirty the car is. If anything, we should be going to a car wash, low key. I need to wash my car. Hella dirty. Nick's car looks all clean. He just had his all cleaned up recently. Gustavo's looks clean too. And it's crazy, we all got gray cars. Different shades of gray. We got a frozen gray, we got gray with like gold metallic in the paint, and then we just have like a solid plain gray. Sheesh. Big homie Beamer fan pulling up on us. Clean M4. All the way from Michigan. Damn. Let's fuck him up with the new key. What's up, G? How are you?
Good, how you been?
Good, good. How about you?
Good. Nice to be back out in the Ford.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Which one did you bring, the GTS?
Yeah, okay. GTS is out today.
Oh, yeah. It's from the G, right?
Beamer fam, you're next.
Working on something. That involves a similar
So funny. I was messing with Nick, too. I was showing him the new key right now. But yeah, guys, I'm not sure what we have planned, but we might go for a little night cruise somewhere up Mulholland, maybe down to Sepulveda. I'm not too sure yet, guys, but as you can see, we got a couple Beamers out. Still waiting, I think, for one more to come out. I'm not sure yet. Trying to force them to come out. See what we get it cracking for tonight. Guys, so freaking nice. This is why I like coming on Mulholland, because you can see this whole entire view up here. So nice. Anyways, back to Canyons. I should have filled up gas, guys. I'm such a dummy. Look at that. Almost out of freaking gas. We were literally chilling at the gas station for like 30-40 minutes and I didn't bother to fill up. We are now down some oh shit, oh shit. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Oh, oh. Struggling to come up here. He needs air suspension. Hey, you need air suspension, bro. All right, guys, we just made it down to the famous 76 gas station here on Sepulveda and like 405 Skirball Museum. You guys know this is a really famous gas station. They always have a lot of meetups here, but as you can see, we got the GTS putting gas because I only had like 20 miles of gas. Nick is here, we got the homie Gustavo, got the homie Beamer fam. And like I said, we're waiting for about 5 other M cars about to pull up. And then I think we're gonna go for another drive. I'm not too sure where exactly we're gonna go, but I gotta make sure that the car's filled up, has a good amount of gas. Guys, gas prices is crazy out here. I've seen some places where they're like $8, I think it is. It's a clean G80 M3 satin PPF with the red interior too. That shit is clean. We got the homie Michael pulled up with his Yas Marina. There's so many BMWs out today. We're still waiting, like I said, for 5 more cars to pull up. So we got 2 G80s and the rest are all FAX. Oh, we got 2 coupes, 2 sedans, 2 G80s.
My boy's coming in a CS right now too.
And a CS is coming. F80 M3 CS. Sheesh. With that windshield tint too. Shit's nice. It's a clean CS right there. We got all the bikes out. Oh. Earlier the 3 of them passed by. And we got tow trucks. We got 1 tow truck over there, we got 1 tow truck over there, and 1 tow truck over there. Shit, homie's having problems with the whip or what? Is that a dummy? Alright guys, we switched over to the other gas station because that one's getting too crowded. We got the homie Sebastian pulled up with the F80. Super clean. As you can see, it's another gas station takeover, guys. So many BMWs. All over Gustavo! G80 M3, driving great. Big homie Alex pulling up on us. Yeah. I haven't seen him in a cool minute. Hello?
Made it.
Sheesh. Hey, Rich. Damn, that shit looks sick. Rich. Nah, or doors go up, Rich.
Oh, bro, I just talked to him.
720S. Shit's so sick. Rich, bro. The interior. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh. New whip, who this? 720S. Look at the screen, guys. Does it? I barely fit in it. So basically, guys, the screen it shows you here, but then it can also flip up. It's just insane. Oh man. Dang. Because he had no plates. I'm so glad I put my plates back on, guys.
I'm gonna call him right now and see what happens.
We raced!
Nah,
You beat me!
Faster, bro. What the fuck?
You're tripping, bro. Big homie Michael. Can't pick up the homie Chris's car, the red F80. Got the other homies with us. We're waiting for the other homie that got pulled over. And I think we're gonna go cruise somewhere, so this is the homie that got pulled over. Homie's pissed. Late night activities. Alex, I bet Alex was scared.
My balls below the ground right now. Oh yeah.
Bro, that sucks.
Yeah,
What?
From the guy from the station, from the gas station.
Plates?
No plates, and then he already has multiple no plates, so he gave him a ticket with no fixing. He has to go to court.
Wow, that sucks.
Mentally cracked.
Because he's arguing with him. If you don't argue and you're nice to him,
He was bad, bro.
He goes, come on, man, I gotta take a piss. Let's go.
You said that?
Yeah.
Bro, I'd give a ticket for that too.
He told the cop, yo, you're kind of disturbing my peace, man. I gotta take a piss. That's why I'm pulling the gas station.
That's funny. I gotta take a shit. I gotta go diarrhea, imagine.
Where's my hat? Where's my hat?
If you don't own one, you'll never understand.
Guess whose sweater this is?
I don't
Shopfinding.com, you know, shopfinding.com.
Guess who's
Guess whose sweater?
Nikon's.
Yeah.
Thank God.
But what should we do? All right, is there anywhere to like drift? Yes, he's gonna go crazy. Oh no, it's not.
Look at those headlights.
Everyone's doing the yellow.
Shit.
I like the pink better.
Nothing came back.
Yeah, that's just nice. That's a clean G82.
Bro,
Sean just texted.
Purple. Alright guys, so we're gonna go. I have no idea where we're gonna go, but somewhere like an empty parking lot. As you see all the homies with us. It's just gonna be crazy. The night out of something, because before it was kind of boring, but looks like we have so many cars with us tonight.
Turn it back on.
What the heck happened? All right, go for it. Yes, you're good. Give it up for finding Nick, yeah! Here you go, sir.
that was scary.
Yeah, that was good.
That wasn't
I
me.
think you threw a rock in my eye,
That
bro.
was a stunt driver.
Finding drift? Finding drift?
I wanted to go first just in case.
I don't think his traction's all the way off. I don't think his traction.
The too loud.
Hey, traction all the way off. Chris, traction all the way off. Oh, it is. Okay, but you gotta gas it hard. Like you gotta pedal to the metal.
Isn't that how I blow my crank up?
No, but keep it in second. I think it's.
Chris, you have to hold down until it cools.
That's what I told him. All the way down. You gotta hold it all the way down. Okay, like that, but second.
Kinda tight, but it's not that bad.
Nah, you did it. You
Did I
still did
leave all
good.
those marks?
Nah, they were there. Yeah, crank it for sure. There you go. Rich.
Rich, huh?
Rich.
Sounds so good. All over us.
Yeah, big time.
All BMWs and one McLaren.
Damn, I'm the only one taking the freeway home? Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.